Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, honey. So today I'm going to be transforming this blonde hair. I actually brought you this hair review about a month ago, before I moved, I believe. And I actually just showed it in this form right here. But in this video, I'm going to be coloring the hair and cutting it actually. So stay tuned for the full transformation to the very end of this video. And of course, if you're interested, please check down below in the description bar for any information on this hair, the company, and any other hair that they may have on their site. Just check down below and watch as I transform this hair. Okay, sis, so here's the final results of my once blonde hair that is now cut into a little bob, and I have some color on it, as you can see. I was a little hesitant at first about the hair not actually coloring all over, because I only bought 2 boxes. Don't tell nobody. But I actually love how it turned out with the blonde highlights mixed in with the burgundy color, which actually turned a little bit pink. And I'm loving the color. Very, very fall appropriate. Sis, if you're interested in this hair, the company, check down below in the description bar. I'll have all the information down there about the company, any other promotions they may be running on their site. I'm loving this hair. As you can see, I'm feeling myself. It really turned out pretty. And the luster on the hair is so beautiful. That is with no product at all. No conditioner and no oil on the hair. It has a very pretty luster on it. So check down below if you're interested in this hair. It is a go for me. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.